Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Maybe a couple of weeks ago I made a video on that, and then somebody just left me a message on that video and said, couldn't you contour the green leaves to make them back to the original size? And it makes a lot of, at first it didn't make sense, but it does. And here's the original. I think it's the same tree as that customer had sent me. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to take the original and we're going to go to Effects, Contour the inside 0.03. That just gives us a little bit of a contour, but what it does, it cuts some of the leaves off or out of the picture. Now we're going to go to Object, break the contour apart. We'll grab the center one and move it over. Now, if we take the Smart Fill tool on a brown, it's not going to fill in all the leaves, and that's what we wanted, okay? But we want the trunk the same size, and we want the leaves to be green. So what we can do now, we can take this item and delete the trunk. And now we can take, you have to group these together, Control G, and we're going to contour to the outside that same 0.03. Now, when we go to Object and break the contour apart, because we grouped them, and that's the only way the contour would work, these are the larger leaves. And we can take them all and turn them into a green, take away the outline. So now we have some green leaves on our tree that are the same size as the other tree, but our trunk is not the same thickness as the original trunk. So let's move our green leaves over. And now we can take, let's just move this over. We can take this one and make it that, well, let's use the Smart Fill tool. See, it turned them all, well, all but a couple. Now we're going to move this over. Our green leaves have disappeared, or most of them, because they're covered up with the brown. If we go to Object, Order, back a page, now we have green leaves and brown leaves. Anyway, I thank that viewer for sparking that interest, and thank you for watching.